We're rolling?
Yes.
Okay. So this would be the front cover. And then when we got inside, you can imagine this reproduced, cut out, including with this little...
Well, I'm kind of rolling onto the table. So if you could put things down right on the same spot.
I'm sorry, okay.
Okay,
So just imagine this photocopied, including with the little zigzag, placed against the blue. You know, so it'd be like, you see the zigzag cut of this piece of white paper, which was just the way it was?
Okay.
I thought it would be neat to kind of leave that in.
The care instructions. You remove the sleeve immediately. Then you cut off a half inch of stems with knife.
Gerber of daisies and roses, cut stems, underwater, do not wet.
And then you place it in warm water.
With floral preservative. Avoid direct sunlight. Recut stems. Change water every 2 days. Project from Columbia, made in USA.
I don't know.
Yeah. Coca leaves. Coca-Cola blossoms. Okay.
Extreme close-up. Hey, we can close-up of the writing. Let me get the cover again. It's cool. I can get the cover again real quick. I kind of fucked up on the picture of the cover.
Oh.
I had ugly. Yeah. Well, I'm getting. Oh, I'll do that one then. Never mind. And done. Okay.
Okay, so this is reproduced in white and glued to the back of this blue. Then we'll probably copy Kevin's stuff in some atomic green or something.
Of course, we could also... Oh, never mind.
And then glue it on the backs of the computer printouts that Nana's been doing. And something like this in the middle or wherever. And we turn the page and we get to Dreams of Utter Nonsense and Scribble, which has the computer variation. We might as well call it the computer remix of Nan's painting.
A close-up of this real cool painting here.
The computers are trying to steal our art away from us.
Computer remix. I like that.
Might as well. If they're going to remix music, they might as well remix painting and sculpture and
good point.
Everything else. And then
and the lyrics to Freedom.
Yeah. With this special...
Put that in. Never mind.
This is a really collaborative page because it was Kevin who held up the Christmas wreath, and I took the picture, and then Nan took the photograph and played with it on the computer.
And duplicated it.
This is the future of art. Communist art groups.
All three of us did.
Art Reco.
The dot-commies.
Art Reco.
The dot-commies do Art Reco.
Damn right.
And we turn the page. And
for non-K in this case.
Where one of the Ks has written win, 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 and he doesn't mean whip inflation now. And then we have Tried to Get Out, which includes one of Nan's interesting paintings.
From a T-shirt that I
Well,
did.
from a T-shirt.
That I painted.
Really cool. Let's get a good hand.
And some kind of words, though we can't.
Well, I wrote some stuff on it, and it was to remind me of something that I wanted to remember, to not be so critical, to do a lot and then pick the best, is what it actually said.
Yeah.
Perfection doesn't exist.
Yeah, just sort of ignore your not so good stuff and just pick the best of it.
Riot individual. And we have, here's some more of...
Kevin have
What's that bright light up ahead?
It's a little electric light bulb we attach with wiring and a battery in the spine of the jacket.
Oh, I see.
With the artistic question marks.
Answers to the most commonly asked questions. What style do we play? The other side.
Neo-Art Deco.
And we have the other side.
We are Devo.
Not.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Next.
A page from the future Bible.
Uh-oh. Altman pollution lyric. Okay.
Well, it is an anti-religious song.
Yes. And then subject matter, an anti do nothing with your life but work and watch TV song.
Yay. Some more cool artwork by Nan.
Yeah. Now see, she ripped off some things from the back of a security thing.
And then I'm afraid I
It said
ripped...
do not copyright or bad things will happen, so what did we do? We stole it!
And then I'm afraid I stole a picture of Kevin, folded him in half, and duplicated him.
Cool, man. Subject matter, you know. Subject.
Now here we have
The coat hanger.
a hint of
surprise.
Kevin's future song, Coat Hanger Surprise,
Or the...
or our comment saying we are pro-choice.
Yes.
And then this is Nan's disclaimer, as she calls it, or as I call it, a manifesto, or with a
And
very
a really
beautiful
cool picture from Oklahoma.
Oregon coast that I took.
The
when
coast of Oklahoma.
Oklahoma.
When I was on the coast of Oklahoma.
After the bomb crater, the Gulf of Mexico went up that far north. We're going to have to put something here, I
Hey,
guess.
blank page. Real close-up of that blank page, yes.
Well, could you put that there, or is it double-sided?
Double-sided.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
We'll have to figure something out.
Yeah.
And we have
One of the photos or
we have
something.
Ken's microscope. We need a microscope to read things.
yeah,
20 questions. This is where I want Kevin or somebody, man, whoever, draw something, fill in that.
Oh, you want me to do that after the concert? I'll do that.
Yeah. There's 2 or 3 spaces, actually. Oh, there's another yellow sun. Oh. Yeah, 2 suns in the sky. Oh,
It'll be
no.
black and white, though?
Yeah, it'll be black and white.
Oh, filmed in black and white.
No Panavision Technica, no bright light.
Just ideas screaming and stumbling,
Power one another goes against the side.
Feeling suffocated when they try to get out. Anyway.
And this might probably be where we finally put the real credits about who actually played, unless you don't want to.
Oh, we could. Maybe. I don't know.
It was you who said it first. So.
Oh.
Yes, we used to be signed on Decca in the 1930s.
How many pages is it?
Drag out those
It's not
old
as many as
vinyl
it looks.
records.
Oh, it's like a whole book.
Well, it's not as many as what the X put out.
Too bad I can't read the record on this camcorder.
It says, get out those old records, and it's by Guy Lombardo and his Royal Canadians.
We found this record at the Burnt Ramen Studios during a session of To Be Released in the Future music. Stay tuned.
Decca Personality Series number 27336, and it lasted 2 minutes 15 seconds. It could have been us.
I hope we're not Guy Lombardo.
Should old acquaintance be forgot? Okay, we might have a photo or something here.
No, we won't.
Of Kevin going, "Ah," or something.
Oh, the picture where I was like on ta-da!
Yeah.
That like that.
This is where Kevin's going to be drawing a cartoon or something.
Oh, boy, we're going to have so many pages.
Well, we want to...
What? Haven't we seen these before? Oh, no.
Yes.
Oh, because
This
of
is
that
the
order?
this is the menu from the Chinese restaurant.
You did write a book.
Bing, bing, bing.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
a booklet.
Oh, see, right about here it says lemon chicken, yeah.
Our happy chef
Yeah, isn't that a nice kitschy
or
image?
baker.
Well, it's like
Oh, yeah.
chef.
I'm Pillsbury the Dole Boy, yeah.
Oh.
Chef Boy RD. Actually, speaking of which, we had some of the ravioli Chef Boy RD the other day, and it was quite good here.
And here's the outtakes from my previous self-interview, where I say all those horrible, nasty truths about myself. And then this is the last inner sort of page,
With what in it?
coat.
If
And
you would
some of
turn
the-
off that camera, I could
That's
actually
what's
see some of these things.
Oh, you're not really looking?
The
I
curtain
can't
with
see.
the
I have
maybe
no
should
idea
put a
what's
little
on these
exit
pages.
sign.
All I can see is designs, but I can't see what it actually says. or
Vote
what it is.
Nambla for president. No, I'm kidding. I'm being silly.
Okay.
Have some Jeffrey Dahmer burger.
Yeah.
Apparently.
Okay, this is the back cover.
Oh, no,
without
that's
the
not
picture.
the back cover.
Well,
This is the
technically,
back
this
cover.
is or more to the point, this is a real back cover.
Oh, yeah.
Here we are.
There's the back cover.
Real back covers. Genuine. Not artificial.
The genuine article.
A real
Get some
McCoy.
genuine Coke EPs. Get them while they're hot. $3.95 plus shipping and handling.
Ooh, which is going to be very high because there's so many pages. No, I won't say anything.
Well, this is a
I'm
limited
sorry.
edition.
I'm being a jerk.
You're not a jerk.
Okay.
This is a limited edition. I understand your feeling. As
Okay.
it got along, I thought, she's kind of right. So the next thing will be much simpler.
Okay.
Oh, and I might as well show you guys.
Did you have
this.
the P and the C on the
Yes,
front cover? You're supposed to have it somewhere on the... Oh, looks we go P and C
Here,
97 here. Okay.
Yeah, we
You
have.
can't decide whether we're 96 or 97.
I
That's
think,
okay.
well, Cope, pretty little Art Deco, and with the basic information crunched way down.
Which, how's this different from this?
Oh, this is just, you know, as like, if somebody decides, well, this is a neat looking sleeve and all, but how's it going to fit in with my bunch of cassettes on the shelf? Well, it says here, the original cassette box is attached to the packaging, not easily removable without damage to the booklet. If you prefer to keep your tapes in regular order, please recycle some cassette box lying around and use this foldem in it. Thank you.
Oh, so it just tells all the info.
La 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 la, falling snow. La 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 la, in tender love.
Snowman, I'll melt with you, I want snow job. Wins a bag of tricks, I don't, asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Well, this is the family hour, can't sing some of our lyrics in front of families.
Well, should we do 3 songs?
Oops.
Or should we give up?
Day after day.
Mounting till you're ready to explode. Change. thing, just a thing. Fall in line, like a factory. Fall in line, march in line, march in line, and salute, B-A-T there, salute,
Come into the frame now, if I can.
Okay, rolling.
doesn't all this is taken or not.
Tape ran out.
I don't know if it is. It was a 2-hour tape. I don't think it.